Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction, and this is a daily close. Let's see Bitcoin on the 1 hour and 15-minute chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is showing some strengths today, coming back inside the bullish breakout area here. I would like to see all this area breaking out of the 76k here, and that because this will bring us in double one two, potentially wave 3 to be unfolding, of course, after breaking the 1-to-1 fib level, which is an 82k here. But very, very interesting day. I would say, of course, it was unexpected since this was looking like a very strong impulse towards the downside, and we're looking for something as a potential ABC zigzag that it might take invalidation. However, this has somehow ended up as a kind of like a WX and a Y. I don't see really a nice finish here for this impulse. We have double one, two, three, four, and a five, four, and a five. I see three waves here, by the way. In case that this is the low that we're talking, and this is your wave five here, what can be possible scenarios still as a double one two, but honestly I don't trust it so much because also this one looks like three ways for me. So very likely that this is kind of like this flat that we got here, and you got here kind of like potentially here a three ways down, an X and a wave Y somehow here, that it can be unfolding, or even something like stronger as an ABC here toward the downside, but I doubt it somehow. I mean, this can be like kind of like an impulse ABC zigzag and then X and a zigzag, but yeah, so it can be, guys. I mean, I'm trying to figure it out here in case that this is gonna turn into WX and Y, because this is looking like huge impulse toward the upside, breaking the 2.61872k here, and we're still in a wave 3, which is incredible what we are looking at today with Bitcoin breaking above the 2.618, taken from the 1-2 here is a huge move, and we didn't finish yet the impulse, and this is of course a huge strength. I would say the things are getting on fire here to break out of this area there for this bullish breakout. I would say that it might be unfolding here. Now, the thing that it might happen then once we push for higher is that it might be, is this only a wave 1-2, and then we might start to see something really strong. Since this is a very strong wave 1 there, I believe that okay, this might be something very strong getting on fire here, that it might reach us above the 82k. Now, why 82k? So very likely also that we might still have one probability as a wave A, three ways down for a wave B, and you might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here dropping down again. This is gonna finish an X over here, and that because you might be in a W there. Yeah, so W, X, and a wave Y. That means this can be a larger bear market, but somehow it's still a little bit far probability. In case we continue really bullish as we are looking right now with the trends that we start to see, we might still reach, of course, a wave B in a regular flat, three ways down, three ways up somehow, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 later on. So very, very interesting what is going on with a Bitcoin over here today. I would say the impulse is not yet done. This is only wave 3 on the 15-minute chart. Even this wave 3 is somehow extending and extending, guys. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, and it's still unfolding as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Interesting, yeah. So this is only your wave 3, and you might still have a 4 and a 5 to unfold toward the upside. I don't know what is being out there, guys, why the things are pushing for higher. I don't know if the news of the war are ended, or I don't know. Just write me in the comments. I need to know what is going on. I was updating the whole day. I didn't hear to any news today. So yeah, we'll see what's going on over there with Bitcoin, guys. That was it for the daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.